Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Tuesday video, and we are going to be testing out the Ofra Absolute Cover Foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, and I'm going to read you what it says about it. It says that right now it is online only, on sale for half price on Ulta's website. It is $20, regular $40, but that is an online only price. It comes in 19 shades, and like I said, it's a full coverage foundation. It says, want more from your foundation? Ofra Cosmetics Absolute Cover Foundation is the perfect blend of skincare and makeup. This age-defying medium to full coverage foundation gives you flawless long-wearing coverage that lasts all day and night, while delivering peptides and antioxidants that protect the face from skin-irritating pollutants. Its benefits are it's matte, it's oil-free, it's long-wearing, skin-loving ingredients, vegan, and cruelty-free. So, let's get started. Let me turn this so that it doesn't ding at us while we're doing this. And I am going to use the TikTok method. I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm probably going to be using the TikTok method all the time because it just really works for me. So here is the product. And it is, whoa, the Absolute. I just put my my moisturizer on. My fingers are slippery. Absolute Coverage Foundation, and I have the color 1, and I think it was fair with, or it's light with neutral undertones, so hopefully it's not too light. It does look kind of light, but I'm adding my powder, and this is the Bye Bye Pores powder that I'm just going to add on top of my moisturizer, and I used the CeraVe moisturizer. So I just want to put a light coat of this on, and then I'm going to go in with some spray and then the foundation. Let's see, we'll use Morphe. This one's still not quite empty. I mean, it doesn't even make noise, but it still sprays. Hopefully that's not too much. Then we want this to dry. Okay, now we are going to go in with the foundation. Oh no, with primer. Primer, then the foundation. So I'm using my Tarte base tape foundation. Smells like coconut. I love it. And then we're going to go in with the foundation. Now, I am going to put this on the back of my hand. It's a little bit runny, and then I'm just going to dot it on. Put a little extra on my cheeks just to use it up. That's one pump, so hopefully that's enough, but if not, we'll just use more. Where's my new brush? I'm going to use my new Heavenly Skin brush from It Cosmetics that I got at TJ Maxx. For a super, super good price. You know what? I watched Kelly Strack do a question and answer, and I would love to do that with you guys. If you want to send me questions on my Instagram, I will save them all up, and we will do a Q&A. Get ready with me. But I thought it was really cool. I really liked watching it because she told all about how she started her channel, when she started her channel, why she started her channel. You know, just all kinds of, this question and answer from her was all about being an influencer. And I don't really think I'm an influencer. I think I'm just a YouTube creator. I just do it. I don't think I influence anybody. I hope not anyways. I'm not trying to. I'm just trying to show you what works for me and what might work for you. And I am completely self-taught on how I put my makeup on. I haven't gone to school or anything for anything like that. So there we go. It looks amazing right now. I am going to put a little bit more on my cheeks to make sure, because it says you can build it to it's medium to full, and you can build it up to full. So I'm just going to dot a little more on my cheeks. That's where I have more of my I have a bug bite right there, and I think that was a bug bite. I tried to pick at it and it just made it crazy bad. So we're not going to pick at it anymore, because it wasn't a zit, even though I thought it was. Or I thought I could make it one, I'm not sure. But it didn't work. It just made it get all swelled up. I don't know if swolled the word. Swollen, swelled up, that's probably it. Okay, so that is that. Now we're going to go in with our concealer. And I'm going to use the Pat McGrath concealer. I got to get this off my hand before I end up with it on my shirt. These are almost all dried out, but this is the last one in the package, so that worked out really well. They stayed, I got use out of all of them. Oh, maybe I'll use that again. Okay. Concealer. It wasn't too light or too dark. It was really a good color for me. It probably would be a little dark if I didn't have self-tanner on, but my self-tanner is coming off, and I'm not going to be able to put it back on anytime soon. I really did a number on that guy. All right. Gonna go in with my sponge and spread this out. You guys must have liked the last video a lot better, because it was only 18 minutes long, which that was about as short as I could get it, considering it was kind of like a blog style one. So in order to get enough clips in it, it had to be a little bit long. But you guys must have liked it, because the numbers were way better than the first week I put it up on Tuesday and Friday. They were bad. But they're better now. And a lot of you commented on, I hope you're not getting discouraged. I was totally getting discouraged. And when I did that, and I mean, I knew the numbers would go down because I was having less videos up, but I didn't think the numbers on each video would go down. I knew my pay numbers would go down, but I'm not getting paid anything anyways right now. So, but I was not ready for them to tank like they did on those first days that I did it. But I'm hoping you guys just didn't expect it to be on that day, and that's why you didn't watch it. That's what I'm telling myself anyways. So, all right. I think I like this stuff. Let's see how it lasts all day, though. I'm going to powder it with my Bye Pores powder. I thought I would do like a all elf. If I can do a full face of elf, but I think I have pretty much. I may not have an eyebrow product, which I'll get if I can. And I know I don't have any elf mascara. But that's okay. It doesn't have to be completely all elf, but the basics. I have foundation. I think I have some concealer. I have powder. I have primer. So I have a lot. that I can do a full face of e.l.f. I know I have those little eyeshadow palettes that you guys probably don't care about, you see, but I like them. I don't think I have an e.l.f. liner. I'll have to get one, won't I? And an e.l.f. liner, eyeliner, and an e.l.f. eyebrow, I think, are two things that I would have to get. I'm not sure if I have any blush or bronze. I may not have a whole e.l.f. face after all, so never mind. Maybe we'll do all drugstore, and most of it will be e.l.f. So that is it. I'm going to take my powder brush and put some of this back, and then just take what's left in there and do the rest of my face. And then I'm going to go in with some bronzer and some blush and some, I'm just going to go off camera and put the rest of my makeup on, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like, tell you what I used, and then we'll do a wear test at the end of the day. So I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look for today, and I am loving this foundation. It looks really nice, really smooth. No breaking up, no sinking into lines. It looks fantastic, especially done the TikTok way. On my eyes, I used the Nudes of New York, and I put, let's see, I used this color right here for my transition color. I used this for my crease and outer corner. Then I used this one for the inner half of my lid, and then I used this one here for the just in the center of it, and then I used this red one for a liner and wing, and then I also used I tight lined with my Onyx from Maybelline gel liner pencil. I used my BH Cosmetics blush. This color is, I can't, Carebian something, coral, Carebian coral. And it's got two colors in it, but I just switched it around to both of them. I used my Milani bronzer, and this is the Sunlight, the Silky Matte Bronzer in Sunlight. And then for my highlighter, I used my Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe, and I used this champagne-y colored one on the end. And then my lipstick, I think that's the only other thing you didn't watch me use. Oh, you didn't watch me do my brows. I used my Cabral. Oh, and I also used, for my mascara, I used this Bambi from L'Oreal, this new Bambi Eyes. I'm liking it pretty good. I've only used it a couple times, but I kind of like it. I did get waterproof, but I didn't mean to. But it doesn't seem like it's too hard to get off, so that's the reason I don't like to get waterproof, is because it is hard to get off. I have something in my eye. Probably a flake or a glitter. And then for my lips, I use this, and this is Skip the Gym. It's an Almay. I've had it for a while, so it's like last year's. And that is everything I used, except the stuff you saw me use. So I will be back at the end of the day to let you know if it stayed looking this flawless, because right now it looks amazing. Amazing. I really like it. So I'll be back. Hey guys, I am back. It is the end of the day, and I scooted this out of the way to do a thumbnail, and I forgot that I need to look in it. I have to tell you that I believe this may be my new favorite. It still looks amazing. It looks amazing. I love it. And right now it's on sale, and I don't get a commission or anything. It's not sponsored. But when I looked it up to tell you guys about it, it's $20. It's regular $40 and it's X'd out $40. It's $20, but it's online only at Ulta. Or that price is online only at Ulta. I have no idea where else you get it because that's where I got it. But I love it. I love it. It's so smooth, and it is a matte finish, but all you gotta do is put some dewy spray or put some highlight on and you got your dewiness. And I think the matte finishes, I know a lot of people say that aged skin can't wear a matte finish, but that you need dewiness. I don't think so. I think my skin looks so much smoother with a matte one, and then I just add in the shine where I want it. I love this. I love this. This is getting 2 thumbs up from me. And I'm surprised. I just got it because I saw it and I had the 20% off coupon at the time. I don't think I paid $20 for it. I think I got 20% off the $40. I can't remember though. But I just picked it because it was in the new stuff. I think it was. I was going through the new stuff on Ulta and looking for foundations because that's what we like to review, and this was pretty much the only one I found, and I thought, well, I've never tried an Ofra product, so I might as well. I know it's a good brand name. I've heard it, so I knew of it, but I didn't know of this foundation. And you know, mostly I think when I think of Ofra, I think of lipsticks. That's what I've seen people use, but I don't have any. Anyways, if you're looking for a good, I don't think it necessarily has full coverage, but it looks like skin though, and it's got great coverage. It's definitely a high medium, but I still can see a few dark spots through it. So it's full coverage enough, because when you go to like double wear, it has its own issues. And this one, it just went on so easy. And, you know, you saw me put it on. I put it on. I dotted it on, put it on with a brush just like I always do. And then did I even use a sponge? I think I did use a sponge. I used a sponge for my concealer. And it just blended right out. It looks amazing. I just can't say enough good things about it. And the fact that the price is so good. I don't know if that's how it's gonna be all the time, because it doesn't say sale. It's just $40 with a X with a slash through it, and it says $20 online only. So I don't know if it's temporary, but it's good. So anyways, that's how we're wrapping up this video. It's a good one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And remember to ask me questions, and we'll do a Q&A. You can either do it on Twitter or on Instagram. And I will gather up all those questions until I have enough questions, and then we'll do a Q&A and I'll put makeup on it at the same time. So if you have any questions for me, please leave them there. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!